Can the Minister advise under what provisions the New South Wales Government agreed without public consultation to transfer lease number RE 455699 over New South Wales Crown Reserve 59360 to Gold Coast Airport Proprietary Limited for their exclusive possession for expansion of the airport? And Minister, as required under Section 34A of the Crown Lands Act, what consideration was given to the public interest and principles of Crown land management before transferring this lease over a Crown Reserve dedicated for public recreation and conservation and allowing it to be open to development for the expansion of Gold Coast Airport?
I might just be getting all the Greens back to Sydney to get your protest groups up there.
Mr. President, I thank the honourable member for her question. Mr. President, I'm advised a lease was granted to Gold Coast Airport Proprietary Limited on the 18th of October 2013 for future airport infrastructure and land management. The lease is on Crown land next to the existing airport land and will run concurrently with the existing Commonwealth lease for the airport over the next 85 years. The public interest in this matter is very clear. Gold Coast Airport acts as a gateway to the communities in the South East Queensland and northern New South Wales area, including the Byron Bay area, for domestic and international passengers. Figures provided by Gold Coast Airports Limited indicate a substantial passenger flow through the airport over the next 20 years, with a contribution to the local economy worth billions. However, the airport does not have an instrument landing system, or ILS. This means that in bad weather and poor visibility, a high number of flights are diverted to other airports. Installation of an instrument landing system, including a service road and security fencing, is critical to airport operations. The lease provides security for tenure and enable the Gold Coast Airport to invest in planning works and capital works associated with this critical infrastructure. The lease has provisions for the future of third-party interests, such as the local pony club currently occupying the land in question. The ILS is subject to the approval of a major development plan under the Commonwealth Airports Act 1996, and a draft plan is currently out for public consultation, which concludes on the 13th of July 2015. Environmental planning and approvals for the development will occur under this legislation. Any concerns by the public in relation to the proposed development should be made online at the website hosted by Gold Coast Airport.
Ms. Jan Barham on a supplementary question.
Minister, can you elucidate on the reasons why there wasn't a public consultation process as required by the Act?
Mr. President, as I indicated in my answer, the ILS is subject to the approval of a major development plan under the Commonwealth Airports Act 1996, and a draft plan is currently out for public consultation, which concludes on the 13th of July.
Point of order.
Mr. Jeremy Buckingham on a point of order.
A point of order is to relevance. The question sought an elucidation in regards to public consultation regarding the lease, not the ILS development.
Can you put in an ILS system without...
Order. In terms of the
Get it right.
point of order,
Order.
the point of order was as to relevance. Undoubtedly, the Minister's comments were generally relevant. In the time he has remaining, he could, if he wishes, add any other matters that are directly relevant.
A380 is over 20 heads. That's what it is.
Thank you, Mr. President. Any concerns with that?
Order.
Environmental planning approvals for the development will occur under that legislation. Any concerns that the public has in relation to the proposed development should be made online at the website hosted by Gold Coast Airport.